Hey guys, it's Jada and Chris is here. I haven't seen you guys in a very long time, but there's a lot of changes coming up very soon. Yeah, so as you guys know, I got back to LA, had like a good week or two, and then I started flaring up again. So I'm only now starting to feel a little bit better. I'm still mostly resting, but I'm starting to feel so much better. And yeah, we're moving back home for a bit because there's no point in paying a lot of money for rent when we know we wanted to go back home in December anyway for the holiday. So we want to be back here in LA in the new year, hopefully, but we're just gonna monitor my skin, see how it's doing, all that stuff. But we've got a lot of stuff to do for moving out, which is really stressful. I'm leaving a lot of stuff here in LA. But today we're going on a Trader Joe's run. A mini Trader Joe's haul. I wanted to try these fancy cheese crunchies. They're cheese plus truffle flavored corn snacks, and they're gluten-free. Bagels, 2 cartons of eggs because we run out of them so fast. Yeah. Belgian waffles, butternut squash, ciabatta bread, bacon.
Raw berries, you heard?
Raspberries?
They're raw berries. Get it right. Mixed greens, you heard?
Oh, let's boil some water. We're gonna make some pasta. Are we focused?
Chicken
We're not
bitties.
focused.
Oh.
My favorite chicken bitties. Chicken stock?
Chicken broth.
Ravioli. This is my favorite ravioli from Trader Joe's. It's mushroom and truffle ravioli. I'm a truffle girl. Marinara sauce. Another thing of Belgian waffles and these cookies that you introduced me to. They're really good.
If y'all don't know about these almond butter thing cookies, y'all need
You're
to
missing
get
out.
on.
Bananas. Uno yogurto. Salmon, everyday seasoning, turkey breast, Swiss cheese, and chicken breast that I'm about to put in pasta right now. Did you undo that bar? And that's the haul. Cheese. Well, these are gonna be my trash bags for my skin. So, there you go.
kind of disrespectful. I mean,
They didn't know the songs.
like they legitimately only sung the box.
Today has been a pretty productive day. We recorded the podcast. I got to choose some clothes from Nuuly because I'm planning on doing a couple of photo shoots before I leave LA. Now I'm editing the podcast, which is taking a second, but I had dinner and everything, which is nice. I also scheduled the next 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks of podcast guests. So you guys are in for some super fun content. I'm going to go to bed because tomorrow we're trying to do a lot of admin stuff to move. We were planning on going to get paint and boxes today, but that just didn't happen because they ended up closing at 4 p.m. and when we wanted to go get the paint, it was like 3:45. So we were like, let's just get that tomorrow. So tomorrow we've got that, seeing a friend, and then we're going to another friend's place to do a table read, I'm pretty sure. So that should be really fun, but I'm just trying to get in all of my rounds of things to do. It's crazy how much my skin has cleared up, even in the past like 5 something days. I don't think you guys understand how bad my skin got the second time around. I only posted it on my close friend story because something still feels so weird about like showing myself when I look like that. It's just really scary, and it doesn't just scare me. I feel like it scares other people, and I don't want to just shove that into people's face. But I guess I'll put it here so you guys can see, but you can skip over if it's not your thing. It's not anyone's thing, but yeah, I'm just in awe of the things that my body can do, I guess, and just, I don't know. It's just scary to think that like I could go into another flare or whatever, but hopefully it won't be as bad. I healed pretty quickly from this one compared to my last, like my first flare. The first flare that I ever had like stayed for like 2 to 3 months, and the one that I just went through, it's been a month and I'm like starting to clear up already. Like I feel pretty okay and think I'm gonna be fine, hopefully, till we move at least. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you guys in the morning. We're actually attacking the moving stuff today. Yeah, so we need to get, I think I'm gonna get like 7 boxes, and then after that I'm actually recording a podcast with my friend Sierra. It's gonna be super, super fun, and that's going live next Tuesday, but that doesn't affect you guys because this vlog is coming out so late, so. Hi, Queen. Hi. Yay! We're recording the podcast. Finally, let's do it. Okay.
This is, what kind of mic is this?
It's the Samsung CO1U Pro.
Okay.
It's like 80 bucks off of Amazon.
Oh, that's great.
I know, it's really cheap.
Because I used to do voiceovers on a mic.
That's what I do.
I had like a like horrible snowball.
Oh
microphone.
no, I had that one too. That was my first one. It was like 30 bucks, but it was bad.
It was like
it stopped working.
Yeah, mine completely stopped.
But then there it is. Okay, it wasn't doing that earlier. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I have Miss Sierra Riley Wilson. Vloggy vlog. Oh gosh. Today my face is not feeling that good for some reason. I think it's because I'm about to be on my period like in the next like week or so. Instead of going to a group gathering that I just can't socially prepare myself for. We're gonna go see Wakanda Forever. Chris has been wanting to see this since it came out. It's only been a week, right? Still, he's been bothering me every day because he wants to see it. So
she didn't let me see Smile, bro.
I did not let you see Smile. No, I didn't.
She didn't want to see Smile with me.
It's like 5 o'clock and it's already pitch black dark outside because the time has already went back. We're gonna stop by In-N-Out before because we didn't have any food prepped at home. Chris has never been inside of an In-N-Out and his ego is about his ego is about, because yeah, you don't care, but you were debating heavily about not going inside. Let's go get it. Yeah! You're about to have an experience. You're about to go inside.
Different day, bro.
You say that and then you're like, it's happening. Go. There's no one in line. Whatever. Wow.
I'm basically in McDonald's.
He feels like he's in McDonald's. Quality you can taste. We got the goods. Bones and all thoughts. Ooh, the wind is blowing.
I'd say since I didn't know what the movie was about going into it, I couldn't be that disappointed. But if I probably watched the trailer and known what the movie was about, I probably would have been more disappointed knowing the plot.
Moving day is approaching. Things are getting slightly stressful, so cupcake for breakfast it is. But I don't want all the icing. I've only just turned into a chocolate cupcake girl. I only like vanilla cupcakes, or like vanilla cake, but this has been good.
Racist.
I'm not racist.